Good morning, students. How are you? Hopefully, all of you are enjoying these classes. Studied at your home. Be safe. It is to be quite important during this pandemic lockdown or the COVID situations. On behalf of our schools, I am just to be requesting all of you just to be stayed at your home. We are came at your home in terms of these online video lectures. If you are having any doubt, then please write down your queries into the comment section. Okay, myself Jagdeep Dudi. I just welcome all of you into these physics classes. In last class, we have discussed about the basics of the dimensional formula or the dimension, how to write down the dimensional formula. In that particular case, we are just to be considering the few fundamental quantities and the few fundamental units. Here we are considering the another formulation in terms of here we are using the how to write down the dimensional formula. How to write the dimensional formula. Clear? Here we are started with the basic formulations in terms of the length, mass. We are already to be considered. In this class we are started from the area. What is the formulations of the area? After that we will discuss about the volume, and after that we will discuss about the density. First thing, the area. How to represent the area? Normally the area is to be represented in terms of the length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length and the breadth, it means lambai or chodai, both are to be measurement with respect to the L into L. That's why it is to be representing like this: M0, L2 and T0. M0, L2, T0. Here the L, it is to be 2, it means L into L, it is to be representing the power in terms of the L ki power 1 plus 1, it is to be equated by the L to the power 2. Clear? When we are multiplying the same quantities, then the powers are to be added. जब भी अपन किन्हीं दो क्वांटिटीज को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उनकी पावर्स क्या होंगी? ऐड हो जाएंगी. Clear? Okay, next we will move upon the volume formulations. You are again to be having the formula of the volume in terms of the length into breadth into height. It means it is to be in terms of the length, breadth and the height. Again the same formulations, length, breadth and the height, all three are to be represented with the help of the formulation in terms of the length and the length, because all three are to be measured into the meter. Because when we are talking about the length of any object, it is to be 2 meter, 10 meter. Breadth, it is, जैसे मैं इस रूम की बात करूँ, we are just to be considering length, breadth and the height. It is to be the length of that particular formulations, it is to be the breadth and it is to be the height. That's why all three are to be measured into the meter. It means we are just to be writing down in terms of the L into L into L. Now again the power is to be 1 1 1 and we are getting out to the L to the power 3, and it is to be representing like M0, L3, T0. Clear? It is to be the dimensional formula for the volume. And when we are talking about the dimension, then the dimensions are to be, it is to be 0, 3 and the 0. Clear? Similarly here the dimensions are to be 0, 2 and the 0. Next, when we are talking about the density, it means if you are having the particular formula of the densities in terms of the mass and the volume, then you are able to derive each and every dimensional formula. The basic fundamental thing, you are having to correct and the exact formulations for it. The density, it is to be represented in terms of the mass upon volume. In terms of the mass upon volume. Clear? Now we are having the dimensional formula for the mass, that is to be discussed into the previous class in terms of the M1, L0, T0, and we are already to be having the dimensional formula of the volume. In this terminology is M0, L3, T1. That's why we are writing down M0, L3, T0. Now we are just to be considering the formulations here. It is to be write down in terms of the M1, 1 minus 0, it is to be the L minus 3 and the T0. For better understanding, I am just to be writing down how it is to be getting out. We are just to be having, when the quantities are to be multiplied, their powers are to be added. When the quantities are to be divided, then their powers are to be subtracted. It means formulation क्या याद रखनी है, during the multiplication powers are added. Powers are added. Clear? But during the division formulation, powers are subtracted. Powers are subtracted. Clear? Here it is to be in terms of the 1 minus 0, but the subtraction is always upper minus lower. ऊपर लिखी हुई वैल्यू में से नीचे वाली माइनस करनी है. Then L it is to be in terms of the 0 minus 3. ऊपर 0 लिखा हुआ, नीचे 3, that's why 0 minus 3, and T it is to be in terms of the 0 minus 0. Now 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 3, minus 3, 0 minus 0, it is to be in terms of the 0. Clear? समझ में आया? Okay, take a screenshot. We will move upon the another formulations. Okay, next we will consider the another formulations, another examples. Be careful, remember powers. When the powers are to be added, when the powers are to be subtracted, it is to be in terms of the multiplication and in terms of the division. Now we are just to be considering the formulations in terms of the, it is to be the 4, 5 and 6 formulations. Distance or displacement, distance or displacement. दूरी और विस्थापन. Next we will talk about the velocity, or we can say that it is to be about the speed. Next we will talk about the acceleration. Third, first we will talk about the distance or the displacement. Again it is to be measured in terms of the length, because when we are moving from one point to another point, like you are just to be moving from your home to your schools, and you are just to be said, sir, my home is to be at 2 kilometers away from my school. It means here it is to be measured in terms of the kilometer or in terms of the meter. That's why kilometer and the meters are to be the unit of the length. It means it is to be represented in terms of the length. The unit is to be similar to the length, that's why it is to be written down in terms of the m0, L1, T0. Clear? Next, when we are talking about the speed and the velocity, we are already to be having the formula in terms of the velocity or the speed equal to distance or the displacement upon time. We are already to be having the dimension of the distance or displacement in terms of the m0, L1, T0. And the time it is to be, we are already to be studied about it in terms of the m0, L0, T1. Now again there is to be the division of the two-dimensional formula, that's why their units are to be subtracted. It is to be written down in terms of the m 0 minus 0, L 1 minus 0, T 0 minus 1, and it is to be equated by m0, L1, T minus 1. Clear? There is no need of write down these formulations, but it is to be for better understanding and for better accuracy. It is to be quite important. You are doing each and everything. It is to be with the accuracy. If your accuracy is to be okay, then you are getting out the maximum marks into your examinations. Next, we will talk about the acceleration. It means again we are having the formulations of the acceleration. It is to be in terms of the velocity upon time. We are having the dimensional formula for the velocity. There is no need to write down the velocity in terms of the distance upon time, because we are already to be having the dimensional formula for the velocity. Okay, आपके पास already velocity के लिए dimensional v में सूत्र है, तो अपन को जरूरत नहीं है. That's why we are considering in terms of the m naught L1 T minus 1 divided by again time, the same dimensional formula of the time, m naught L naught T1. Again, after solving, there is the division in between the two dimensional formulas. The powers are to be subtracted. We are just to be writing down in terms of the 0 minus 0, L 1 minus 0 t minus 1 minus 1. Now it is to be written down in terms of the m0 L1 t minus 2. Be careful about it. minus 1 into minus 1 नहीं करना है. minus 1 it is to be in terms of the minus 2. Clear? Okay, take a screenshot. We will move upon the another formulations. Clear? Okay, next we will move upon the another formulations in terms of the 6, 7 and the 8 formulations. Hopefully each and everything is to be clear to all of you. If there is any doubt, then you can write down into your comment section. Next we will move upon the force, work and the power. 7 force, 8th in terms of the work, 9th in terms of the power. There are the lots of the formulations, but here we are considering the few formulations to understanding the entire concept. Now the force is to be writing down in terms of the F equal to ma. In last class we are also to be discussed about this basic formulations, F equal to m into a. It means mass into accelerations. We are having the dimensional formula for the mass in terms of the m1 L0 T0. And again we are having the dimensional formula for the accelerations. Previously we are studied about it in terms of the acceleration equal to, it is to be the velocity upon time or the distance upon time square. It means it is to be in terms of the m0 L1 t minus 2. Clear? It is to be the dimensional formula of the accelerations. अब आपको पिछले वाले डायमेंशनल फार्मूला जब याद होंगे तो यू आर एबल टू प्रोसीड ईच एंड एवरी डायमेंशनल फार्मूला. क्लियर? दैट्स वाई इट इज़ टू बी क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो को बार बार देखें, अच्छे से देखें. यू आर जस्ट टू बी क्लियरिंग ईच एंड एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ अगेन देर इज एनी डाउट देन यू कैन राइट डाउन इन टू द कमेंट सेक्शन और यू कैन फील फ्री टू कॉन्टेक्ट एट माई व्हाट्सअप नंबर 7737278066. Okay, again we are just to be having the two dimensionals. These are to be in multiplication. That's why we are just to be adding the powers 1 plus 0 L 0 plus 1 T 0 minus 2. Now it is to be equated by m1 L1 T minus 2. It is to be the dimensional formula for the force. Clear? Next we will talk about the work. It is also to be related because we are knowing that the work equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Now we are already to be having the dimensional formula for the force in terms of the m1 L1 T minus 2 into displacement. We are already to be having the formulations in terms of the L naught L1 T naught because displacement is to be measured in respect in terms of the length. That's why we are using the L1. Again they are to be in multiplication. That's why we are just to be adding the powers 1 plus 0 L 1 plus 1 T minus 2 plus 0, and after that we are getting out the formulations M1 L2 T minus 2. Clear? Now the third one, it is to be in terms of the power. Now the formula of the power, work done per unit time. द फॉर्मूला फॉर द पावर, आपकी शक्ति कितनी होगी कि आप कितने समय में कितना कार्य कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स इट इज टू बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम. अगेन वी आर ऑलरेडी टू बी हैविंग द फॉर्मुलेशंस ऑफ द वर्क डन. इट इज टू बी द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फॉर द वर्क इन टर्म्स ऑफ द m1 L2 T minus 2 divide by the time. We are already to be having the dimensional formula for the time in terms of the m naught L naught T1. Clear? Now again we are having the two dimensional formula. They are to be in division. That's why the powers are to be subtracted and we are getting out 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, T minus 2 minus 1. It is to be representing in terms of the m1 L2 T minus 3. Clear? It means it is to be the dimensional formula for the power. Like this we are able to find out each and every dimensional formula. Clear? Okay, it is to be the end of the today's lecture. In next lecture we are discussed about the usage of these dimensional formulas. The questions are to be asked in terms of the usage of the dimensional formula, how to check out the correctness of the dimensional formula, how to convert the one unit system into the another unit system. It is to be discussed into the next lectures. Hopefully all of you are enjoying and learning with the help of these video lectures. Then please like and share these video to your colleagues, your friends. That's why they are also to be able to understand some concept. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. मिलते हैं next class में. Have a nice day. Thank you.